Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Hope you're doing good. Hey, today I am bringing you yet another PVC DIY goodie. And this one today is all about how to make compact screwdriver storage. What I had before this was I had made me a bunch of screwdriver holders out of wood like this. And I had two of them and held about 13 screwdrivers a piece. And then I would go ahead and try to find a place to put them on my wall and be like, oh, it's taking up too much valuable real estate. So when I was moving into my house here, my dad saw my dilemma and he quickly came up with this idea, which I thought was just another ingenious use for PVC. So he just took some scrap PVC I had laying around, drilled a bunch of holes in it, and mounted it to the side of my bench. So now I can get about 32 screwdrivers in about the same space as that whole wood rack made up. So I'm going to make another one today just because I got some more screwdrivers I want to store, and I'll show you how I do that. So guys, what I'm using for this is 3/4 inch Schedule 40 conduit. It was about $220 at Lowe's for a big long one. So we'll use that. I'm going to cut my first one to 22 inches. That's going to be a good length for me to use. These are really handy. I don't know if you guys have seen these. I've tried those other little, tighten and turn around the pipe cutters, but these Irwin ones work really well. I think they'll go up to 1.5 inch pipe, but these are awesome. Okay, got my 22-inch piece cut. I want to show you another cool tool. This is, I don't even know the official name for this, but I use it all the time to make consistent marks. So it's kind of a slide ruler tool. It's a Veritas brand, which I believe is Lee Valley Tools brand, but my dad got me this several years ago for Christmas, and it gets used all the time. It's pretty neat. So I'll use this to make my straight line. Okay, I got it set up in the vise. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and approximate where I want my holes to be drilled, and I'm just going to punch a starter with my awl. Okay, next I'm going to start with a smaller bit. Some of my other holes were too big for some of the really small screwdrivers, so I'll start with this, pilot the rest of them, and then I'll go back with some bigger ones. So overall, here's what we end up with. Got some bigger holes, some smaller ones at the top. That one didn't make it to the line too closely, but serves a purpose. Thanks again for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and we'll see you on the next video.